AI is moving faster than ever before. We are literally getting multiple AI updates, tools, and models every single day. But the hard part is to keep up updated with them. But now we have the perfect solution for you. So imagine this. In morning, you just woke up and on your email you get all of these latest AI updates and news. No scrolling, no searching, fully automated. In this video, we are going to learn that how we can create an automated AI news bot by using Perplexity AI and N8N automation. So I will guide you step by step where you will learn how to create it from entire scratch, and you don't need to be an expert on N8N because we are going to explain every single step that you will need to know in order to get this personalized AI news bot set up for you. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to this channel so that we can get you latest AI tools like N8N, Comfy UI and much more. And make sure to check out the link in the description for our website where you can enjoy latest AI courses, and you can also join our newsletter if you want valuable AI content. So without a further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you need N8N either installed on a cloud or on your local machine. Here I have N8N installed entirely on my local machine. I have connected it via a CloudFunnel tunnel to my domain name so that I can make localhost address easy to remember and type. Now my URL looks like this, n8n.aimentor.in, and once you are signed in with your N8N, here you can see all kind of different workflows. This is our workflow, which is AI newsletter Perplexity. This is the basic version, but if you will give 50 likes to this video, I will make an advanced version of it where I will show you that how to convert it into a fully automated newsletter so that you can build your audience and send them also all of these amazing AI updates. Now let us understand how this workflow works. So I will just click on this button, which is execute workflow, and here you can see the workflow already started. It is going to Perplexity for searching the latest AI news in the last week or the specified number of days. If you want 24 hours of AI news, you can also specify it, and we will see how we can do that. Once it gets all the latest news from Perplexity, it is going to forward it to our agent, which is called Format AI Agent. At this step, it is going to format the data properly so that it can be delivered to the newsletter, removing all of the situations that Perplexity usually adds into the information. Then here we have the OpenRoto chat model where we are using free model, and here we have this model which is Qwen 38P. It is entirely free. On the open router, you can also select various different models like Gemini, Bard and much more others. You just have to come here and type free, and here you can see we have the Qwen 3 30 billion, 4 billion, 8 billion, Qwen 3 Coder, Shisha, Hanyan, DeepSeek, and so on and so forth. So literally it is entirely free of cost. You don't need any single paid API. After that, it just send the mail to our Gmail. We have added the Gmail send message here. So once we click on it, here we can see the email has been sent, and let me show you the email. So here I am on my email and I am getting this email, which is AI news update. You can literally change the title, anything that you want. And now here we have our AI news, top AI news of the day, breakthroughs, market shift and innovation. Here's a curated summary of the official AI headlines. Here we have the DeepSeek trains breakthrough R1 model at fraction of US cost. This is the first news. Then we have second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. We will get up to 8 different news, or you can increase the number as per your liking by customizing this workflow. So let's see how we can build it from scratch. First of all, you just need to go here, and in this workflow only, I'm going to create a new one so that you can see the process from scratch. So just double click here or click on this add button. First of all, we need a schedule trigger. So we can write schedule trigger. And in the schedule trigger, you have different parameters, like you can select the interval in the days, seconds, minutes or hour on which you want your workflow to execute. So for example, if you want that every day at 9 AM, I will get all the AI news. So make sure to select this on day. Then here you have the option to enter the days between in triggers. So we need to give it a gap of 1 day. After that, we can select the trigger at hour. So make sure if it is on your local system, that it should be always trigger when your PC is on so that it can actually trigger and send you the email. So around 8 a.m., I just set up my PC and do all of the work. So always my PC is on. Make sure it matches the time when your system is on. So I will select the time to the 8 a.m. here. Then after that, here you have trigger at minutes. So if you want to trigger it every particular minutes, you can set the minutes here like 60 minutes, 120 minutes or whatever. Then you can get hourly updates also. But we will skip it for now. These are all the settings that we need to add here. Now the next step that you want to add is the Perplexity API. So here, if you go to the Perplexity, you will get this node. And in this node, we have the option of create a chat completion. You just need to click here. And now you need to get an API key. So how you can get it is very simple. You can directly go to the perplexity.ai, create a free account. And in this section, because I have the pro account, I can get the API credits already, which is $5 per month. Perplexity gives all of its paid users this much credit. But if you are on free plan, you need to add some dollars, either 1, 2, or up to $5 you can add, okay, in order to get started with this thing. So we can click on the API, and in the API, it will ask you to create an API group. So this kind of a pop-up will open up in front of you where it will give you the option to add a group name. I added N8N, then the description, then just give some random address or your real one if you want to give it. I just added New York, US zip code. And once you enter all of the details and click on the submit, then this option of API key will be open in front of you. Just click on this option, and then you can just click on this button, accept terms and generate API key, and it will create a new key for you. Just give the name, which is a new API. I can give it here, and now you can see this is our new API key that it has created, and it is never used. So once you get your API key right here, just click on this copy icon, and now come back to our N8N. So here we have come back, just click here, click new credential, and now you need to add this API key that we have copied from there to here, and click on the save button, and a new credential will be open up for you so that you can easily get access to the Perplexity API. After that, in the operation, you must select chat completion, and the model we can use is Sonar Pro. Here we have all of the different models that we have available in the Perplexity. You can use the Sonar Deep Research to do a thorough research on a specified topic, or you can use these pro level reasoning models if you have some reasoning question answers or challenges. But here for basic research and the fastest result, we are going to use Sonar Pro. Then we will close this node, or just click on the top bar. It will automatically close the node. Next option that we need to do here is we need to add an AI agent which can get all of the latest news data from the Perplexity and then format it properly. So here we can get this option, which is source for prompt. Here select this option of define below. Then we have the prompt. So first of all, we need to add the user message here. So in the user message, I have just entered, you are a helpful formatter assistant. You will receive a chunk of AI headlines and news. Your job is to format it such that it is an easily readable format for newsletter email. So basically we have given it instructions with which it can format things for us. Okay, so now we just click on this icon in order to run Perplexity API so that it can get all of the news from there, and we can see the node executed successfully. And here we have all of our data, where if we see in this tabular format, we can see the citations or the sources from where it collected all of the latest AI news. Then we have the search result, which contains the title, URL, date, and other parameters. And finally, we have the actual content related to the news. So this data we can pass to our AI agent, but before it, here we will collect open router. So we will add open router chat model. And in this open router, what you need to do is you need to select the account. So for open router, you again need to create credentials. Go to the openrouter.com and just get an API from there. Just create the credential and you can get the API. After that, you just top up few amount there, or otherwise, if you want to use the free open router models, just search for free and it will also give you some of the free options available out there. and I am using the free version for it. All right, so once you have specified the system message here, next thing is you need to enter the prompt. So in this user message, you need to add here the content from your previous nodes. In this previous node, we have these options where this is the contact parameter. We just need to drag and drop it, and now it will pass all of the content from the previous nodes to our AI agent. The next step is to add the open router chat node. So the next step is to add a chat model. We will click here and just search for open router chat model. Once you click here, here you will get all of the options to select the best AI models that you need to add. Here, if you click here, you can see we have GPT 4.1 Mini, Nano, 4.0, and we have GPT 5, and literally we have much more other models. What you need to do is just click here and write free. And once you enter the free here, it will provide you all of the free models. So we will select this one, which is Quen 38 billion free. And if you want to know that how you can create the open router account, just go to ChatGPT and ask it. Otherwise, you can easily do it by your own self. Just go to open router and then create API. Then come here and just click on this button of add new credential and just paste your API key here. And it will easily add your open router account to your Perplexity to your N8N. Okay, so once we have selected the model, the next thing is memory. It is optional. Either you can use it or you can totally skip it. So next we will click on this button and we can actually execute our agent and see that if it is working properly or not. So just give it few seconds and it will show you the results that all of the data that it get from the previous node is now formatting properly. Here we can see node executed successfully, and here we have all of our outputs properly formatted where it has just removed the situation and other stuff that is not readable. Next thing is we just need to add a Gmail trigger so that we can send this information to our users on Gmail. So write Gmail here, and then we need to select an action, which is send a message. Here, if you want to do some other things, you have literally a lot of different options in this trigger. Next thing is select your Gmail account. So I will select this one, and it is very easy. You can just click on new credential, and then I will provide you a document where you will learn how you can easily create a Google OAuth authentication so that you can connect your Gmail account to the Perplexity in order to send email messages to others. This process is very easy and very necessary in order to send an email. Okay, so once you have completed the process, here it will require client ID and the client secret along with this URL, which might be different in your case. Go through this document and you will know the exact process. Okay, then click on the save button and you will have your email easily connected with it. So I have just connected my Gmail. Here we need to mention some parameters. All right, so once your credentials are perfectly added to the N8N, next thing is to select the resource. Here we will select the message, then the operation. We will select the send operation. If you want, you have different options here also. Then we need to specify the email address. So I can write aimentorin@gmail.com. And now it will ask you to add the subject. So you can add the subject for your email, which is AI news updates, and then the email type. So we'll select it to the text and then the final message. Here, in order to get this thing pass on, you need to execute all of your previous nodes so that you can exactly put up the parameter or the JSON variable in order to pass the messages. So wait for a few seconds until your previous nodes are executing, and then we can easily directly drag and drop the content section here and get the entire thing. Below, until this is happening, if you want, you can also add several things, which is N8N attribution. So for example, if I will show you, if you don't enable this thing at the end of your email, it will tell you that it is sent by N8N. Okay, so this was the first test email. Here you can see this attribution, which is this email was sent automatically with N8N. So this is what it appends to your email by default. If you want to disable it, just select this option of append N8N attribution and disable it. Now you won't get anything that N8N sent this email for you. Here we have all of our data connected properly. Now we just need to select one variable, which is this output variable, and send it as the main message. If you want to append some text like the username or such, you can add it here, like, "Hi Rahul, this is your AI news." Okay, then click on the execute step button, and here we can see it has just sent the email directly to our inbox. Now we will go to our Gmail and we can check that if we got the mail or not. Okay, so here we got this email, which is AI news updates. And here it says, "Hi Rahul, this is your AI news." And we have the AI news and headlines of October 11, 2025. This is the exact same date I'm recording this video. So you can know that it works based on your trigger that you have set. Here we have the news. Bitfarm converts 300 million Mercure debt facility to fund partner AI platform expansion. AI outpaces Quantum as UK startups focus on generative models. Can AI create future from persons with disability? Here we have recent breakthroughs, and all of the sources are also mentioned here. If you want, you can just remove these links, but it is good to add them so that the users can go to these links in order to get full details about the news. Below, we have the final section, which is key trends and tools. So it added these trends in the AI field, which is generative AI accelerator across industry, and so on and so forth. All right, now we'll come to our N8N and we can go back, and now we have our workflow entirely ready. So here we have just created a bot which uses the Perplexity AI and N8N to automatically deliver latest AI news from the market. Now the possibilities are endless. You can literally manipulate and modify this workflow for your personal use cases and enjoy this amazing automated email delivery bot for you. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any sort of doubt and question, you can always ask them in the comment section. Make sure to add any comment like good or very good so that we can rank up in the algorithm. It will do a great favor for us to create this kind of content for you. And we are trying our best to update the content quality and provide you much more entire playlist of the N8N and the Comfy UI and workflow automations. So make sure to subscribe this channel. You can go in the description and you will get all the links to download the resources and this workflow from my website, which is ainirvan.com. There you can also get different AI courses that I have created in the past. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.